How to change a chart type in PrimeXBT. Are guys facing issue to change the chart type in PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now enter PrimeXBT website. As soon as you enter the PrimeXBT website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you will be forwarded to this section where you will be able to see your charts. We are looking to change the chart type, right? If a chart type is like with line, if you want to change it to candle, just simply click on this button which is the right side of the time frame. Now just simply tap on menu icon. After you click on menu icon, you will be provided with three types: bar and candle. You are looking to change it to candle, right? Now just simply select candle. After you click on candle, candlestick will appear on a chart. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change the chart type in PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.